As an accounting software expert, one of the most common questions I encounter from individuals and businesses exploring their options is, how many customers does FreshBooks have? It's a natural inquiry, as a large and active user base often signals a mature, reliable, and widely adopted solution. However, getting a precise, single number can be a bit more nuanced than one might expect, as different metrics are often used. Let's delve into FreshBooks' customer landscape, breaking down the figures and explaining what they truly mean for you. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur, a seasoned freelancer, or an accounting student, the over 30 million people figure, a key indicator. When you visit FreshBooks' official About Us pages or read their press releases, you'll frequently see a prominent statement, over 30 million people have used FreshBooks. This is a significant figure and a powerful testament to the software's widespread reach. But what does used mean in this context? It encompasses a broad spectrum. This number likely includes individuals who have signed up for free trials, those who have used a free version of the software, if available at certain times or for specific functionalities, or even those who have simply interacted with FreshBooks' invoicing system as a client of a FreshBooks user. It's a cumulative figure over FreshBooks' history, dating back to its founding in 2003. It highlights brand recognition and adoption. Regardless of whether all 30 million are actively paying subscribers right now, this figure demonstrates tremendous brand recognition and a significant historical footprint in the small business accounting software market. It means that a vast number of individuals and businesses have at some point engaged with the FreshBooks platform. From an educational standpoint, this over 30 million figure teaches us an important lesson about interpreting statistics. Not all users are customers in the traditional sense of a paying subscriber. However, it still indicates strong market penetration and a proven ability to attract a large audience. Delving deeper, the number of paying customers. While the 30 million people used FreshBooks statistic is impressive for showing overall reach, it doesn't tell us the precise number of currently paying customers. This is where the data becomes a little more varied and often requires looking at different sources that analyze market share and company specifics. Publicly available data from market intelligence platforms often report slightly different figures for active users or companies using FreshBooks. For instance, some sources indicate that FreshBooks serves over 3 million paying customers worldwide. This number would be a subset of the larger 30 million people have used figure, representing the businesses and individuals who are actively subscribing to FreshBooks paid plans. Other market analysis sites might report on the number of detected websites or companies that utilize FreshBooks, with figures ranging from a few thousand to several thousand, e.g., around 3,500 to 4,300 detected companies using FreshBooks in various analyses. These figures often focus on business websites that integrate with FreshBooks or for which the software's usage can be publicly tracked. Why the variation in paying customer numbers? Data collection methods. Different market intelligence firms use various methods to estimate customer bases, including web scraping, surveys, and analyzing publicly available information. These methods can yield slightly different results. Definition of customer. Some analyses might strictly count active subscriptions, while others might include a broader definition. Confidentiality. Companies like FreshBooks, being privately held, are not obligated to release precise, up-to-the-minute figures on their active paying subscriber count in the same way publicly traded companies might. They often prefer to use broader, more impactful statistics like people who have used FreshBooks. For someone learning about accounting software, it's crucial to understand that while exact, real-time numbers are often proprietary, the general trend and magnitude are what matter. The consistent reporting of millions of users and a significant number of active businesses points to FreshBooks being a well-established and widely utilized solution. FreshBooks' market position, a niche focus. FreshBooks positions itself as a leading accounting software particularly for service-based small business owners, freelancers, and independent professionals. This focus is key to understanding its customer base. Unlike some larger, more comprehensive accounting platforms that cater to businesses of all sizes, from startups to large corporations, FreshBooks has carved out a strong niche. This means its customer base is predominantly composed of solo entrepreneurs, graphic designers, consultants, writers, web developers, photographers, etc. Small teams, businesses with a handful of employees or contractors who need to manage invoicing, expenses, and time tracking efficiently. Service-based businesses. Companies where time and services are the primary billable items, rather than physical products or complex inventory. While FreshBooks might not have the sheer volume of paying customers as some of its broader competitors, like QuickBooks, which dominates a larger market share across various business sizes and industries, its strength lies in its deep understanding and catering to the specific needs of its target audience. This specialized approach has allowed it to build a loyal and substantial customer base within its niche.